Now this is a contradiction, but it's another one. In Tai Chi it's called the bird's beak, where you put all your fingers together and the thumb goes in the middle. The bird's beak goes over and it's the same as the open hand. So this is, as long as you're all right with contradictions, you get on well in Aikido. Right? Because this, I'm saying the complete opposite, ain't I, about the fingers. But you don't know what situation you're in. What about if he's holding my fingers? You know, how am I going to... Oh, I can... Just what I mean, you've got to be able to adapt to any position. It comes up, it goes over, and I'm going to go through all these other pieces. He's on... Forgotten your name.
Go.
Gull.
Go. KO.
KO. Oh, Ko. That's quick easy, isn't it? I dare if I remember. If I say okay, it's just backwards.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. So he's on the line, his arm's on the line, and this is what's happening. Those who can see it, you're sort of turning over and it's going this side of the line, and then by the time you get there, it's gone that side of the line. And you know, you third dans and above really should be keeping it exactly on the line, and you should be moving. You should be moving. So bird's beak, over, out. All right, so this now isn't that. So don't get confused by going here, here. Oh, I need to open my fingers, because it's not going to be right, is it? Strong. Hey. Yeah. That's when you open your fingers. when you're going to let your full tiger out of the... Hey! Can't get out. It's because again... Hey! Still on the line. Right? The more they hold, the more you'll find that it will vary where it's going. Keep it where it is, and you'll get it, okay? So the bird's beak, it goes over, under, and out. Okay, done.